How to personalize settings in TikTok. You can personalize TikTok settings by managing your For You feed topic through the app's content preferences to see more or less of what you like. For this, you want to open a TikTok app on your device. Also, make sure that the application is completely up to date. And now, then to begin with, you simply want to click on the profile initials, and here you want to tap the menu bar and go to settings and privacy from the list. When you go to the privacy list, you have these content and display, right? So when you go to this section of content and display, this is going to help you out to personalize settings in TikTok. So first of all, you could personalize the settings for notification as well. And next, you could also select according to live, music, activity center, content preferences, audio, audience control, playback, and all that stuff. So through these, menu, and then accordingly make changes with your settings. So this is the way you could personalize settings in TikTok. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.